Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to study about a very important organic reaction, that is substitution reaction. This is applicable in class 11th also as in class 12, because in class 12 we are studying about haloalkanes. There is a wide range of reactions of nucleophilic substitution reactions. So this video is useful for class 11th students as well as class 12 student. So a substitution reaction is the direct replacement of an atom or a group of atoms by some other atom or group of atoms. Now suppose this is our any reaction which gives you product. Then see, this reactant can be your substrate, when this substrate is being attacked by any reagent, then intermediate compound is formed. Then this intermediate will give you product. So this is the full process of any reaction. Now depending upon the type of attack by the reagent, we can study any reaction in three categories. See, what are the type of attacking reagents? See, they can be three. It can be your electron rich, it can be your electron deficient, or it can be your free radical. When it is electron rich, हम मान लेते हैं जब हमारा अटैकिंग रिएजेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है तब वो होगा हमारा न्यूक्लियोफाइल. तो जो रिएक्शन होगी वो हमारी कैसी होगी? न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. हम मान लेते हैं हमारा अटैकिंग रिएजेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, मीन्स इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कमी है, तो हमारी रिएक्शन होगी इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. हम मान लेते हैं हमारा जो अटैकिंग रिएजेंट है ये कोई सा एक फ्री रेडिकल है, तब हमारी रिएक्शन होगी फ्री रेडिकल सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. तो हम इन तीन फॉर्म्स में किसी भी रिएक्शंस को पढ़ सकेंगे: न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन और फ्री रेडिकल सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. डिपेंडिंग ऑन दीज थ्री कैटेगरीज इंटरमीडिएट इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म. इंटरमीडिएट कैसा बनेगा बेटा? इट कैन बी ऑल्सो ऑफ थ्री टाइप. नंबर वन, व्हेन कार्बोकैटायन इज फॉर्म्ड. Second, carbon ion is formed, or free radical is formed. Means without charge. Or sometimes transition states are also formed. So these four are your intermediate states. Reagent can be studied under three categories, and on the basis of these three our reaction can be studied on three types, है ना. So now first we are studying our nucleophilic substitution reaction. Substitution reaction or SN. See, it can be studied under two categories, SN1 and SN2. This SN1 is our unimolecular substitution reaction, The meaning of unimolecular is here that here the rate of reaction depends only on substrate, only on the rate of reaction depends only on substrate, on this one, substrate. SN2 is bimolecular substitution reaction. It depends on, here the rate depends upon the substrate as well as the attacking reagent. Substrate as well as our nucleophile, because we are studying for nucleophile na, as well as our nucleophile. So there, because it depends on two, substrate and nucleophile, therefore it is bimolecular, and it depends on only one, that is substrate, therefore it is unimolecular. Now SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction takes place in two steps. In one step, of carbocation, how we have taken here bromide. Any alkane we can take, haloalkane. When this is ionization, on ionization, it will give us a carbocation. This is a carbocation. This is a slow step, this is a slow step, therefore this step is also called as a rate determining step, therefore we says that in unimolecular it depends upon the substrate. This is the substrate. Now the second step is attack of nucleophile on carbocation, Now see here, as this reaction is a slow step, so only that, see, because this is a tertiary radical, tertiary cation, the stability of the haloalkanes depends upon the stability of this carbocation formed, so if it is tertiary, so if the haloalkane is tertiary here, so tertiary haloalkanes always prefer SN1. The reason, because tertiary carbocation is most stable, therefore tertiary haloalkane goes for only SN1 reaction. This we will discuss later on, but here the mechanism is, second step is the attack of nucleophile on carbocation. So here the carbocation is RC. This is our carbocation. On this, any nucleophile attack, suppose we have taken nucleophile as OH minus, then what will happen? This OH minus will attack on this positive carbon, so this is your step 2, and this is our step 1, and this is our step 2. This is a fast reaction, therefore it is called that SN1 depends on the rate concentration of the substrate, है. Now mechanism of SN2. SN2 is a biomolecular substitution reaction. Why it is called? Because it depends on the concentration of substrate as well as the concentration of the nucleophile. How it is? See here. SN2 is a one-step reaction. How it is? See here. We are taking same halogen here. Here there is no step 1 and step 2. There is only one step reaction. So how, and the, see how this attacks on this. Suppose here it is H, and here also we are having here H. Now from which place this OH will attack? Now suppose this is our H, and Br, same Br we are taking here, OH, and this is same we have written. Now see here, this is Br and other we have to take, this OH will react. Now how this will react? Suppose, just to see, I am drawing this structure again. See how to draw. Suppose this is our C, this 2H is this, and this is another H. Now this is our Br and this OH will attack from this side. Now how this will attack? See here, there will be one condition when this OH will be attacking on this C and this Br will be going away from this C. But a condition will be there when the OH and Br both will be in the same condition, in the same, then this is called as transition state. Transition state. Now what will happen in next, in the same step, this OH bond will become stronger and this will become weaker and will removed away. See here, H, this OH will come closer to this C and make bond, and this Br will go away from here. So here we have formed a new product, that is our alcohol. So this occurs in only one step, therefore it is a bimolecular because it depends on both the substrate as well as the nucleophile. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will going for the haloalkanes and its order for SN1 and SN2. Thank you.